Hi, I'm Jeanette Cheah. I'm the co-founder and the CEO of the Hacker Exchange. The Hacker Exchange is an education company that's based in Melbourne and San Francisco. It's actually our first program here in Singapore. We're on day 2 of what's going to be an amazing 2-week program. So we're actually here with Why Innovation, running through the business model canvas, lean startup principles, as well as assumptions around their startups. So it's actually been a really great morning so far, watching the students do some pivots, give each other peer feedback, and I think one of the most important things to teach them is actually that sense of resilience and flexibility to change when they get feedback from their peers and also from experts. We really think that the future of work is going to require a fundamentally different kind of leader with different kinds of human-centric skills, and one of the best ways to learn those skills is to learn how to start a startup. Which is why it's such a pleasure to bring students from universities around Australia to capitals like Singapore and work with experts like Why Innovation. And we're really looking forward to an amazing 2 weeks.